Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a quick and straightforward tutorial on how to combine PDF files into one. Our method involves using an online PDF merger. Here's how you can do it. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for PDF Combiner. You'll find several websites that offer this service. Click on the first website that says Combined PDF. Step 2. Once on the website, click on the Upload button. Navigate to the PDF files you want to combine from your computer and upload them. I have my files on desktop, so I select my PDF files from there. When you select your PDF files, then click on Open button. Step 3. After all the files are uploaded, arrange them in the order you want them to appear in the merged PDF. Step 4. Now, click on the Combine button. The website will process your files and download your combined PDF files. Your combined file has downloaded. Step 5. If you want to view your file, you have to go to This PC, then click on the Download. Now you can view your downloaded combined PDF file. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to combine PDF files into one. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.